Today, right here in the state of Maryland, is going to be sunny around 35 degrees. Yesterday, it was 48 degrees, mostly sunny. And then today, it's going to be 60 degrees, sunny. With air quality with the green stuff of 21, wind 4 miles per hour, humidity 48%, feels like 39 degrees, visibility 9.9 mile, pressure 30.4 inch, and finally the dew point 18 degrees. Earlier it was cold outside, but today is going to be a warm outside, which means it's going to be a nice day outside. Now let's go over to the HD Doppler radar. Starting off as always, the radar opposition. Notice, ladies and gentlemen, there is no rain. So there's no rain right here in the state of Maryland or Delaware because it's going to be sunny. We're going to skip that for today. Moving on to the wind. The wind is picking up right here in Baltimore and BWI Airport, showing 7 miles per hour. The same numbers just like in Baltimore, Cumberland, Hagerstown, and Frederick with 7 miles per hour. With 6 miles per hour, which is in Lexington Park, Easton, and Salisbury, and 5 miles per hour in Pocomoke City. So mostly we are in the blue. In Garrett County, showing the green. Clouds. The clouds are going to be just a little bit in Maryland. So we don't have a lot of clouds because it's going to be sunny. But as you know, in West Virginia and Virginia, are going to be clouds. So clouds are going to be picking up on the eastbound. Now with the humidity. We're definitely showing the mostly of the 50s with this, which is the percentage of 50 and the percentage of with the 40s and nearly 50s. So we are in the colors of the little bit on the blue in Washington and the green mostly right here in Maryland. Plus tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be the blue with mostly of the 60s and nearly the 60s and more than 70s. With the visibility, we're mostly on the gray stuff. We are showing mostly of the 20 mile. And then tomorrow will be another 20s on the gray. Now with the sea level pressure, we're definitely showing with the 30s. 30 inch right here in the state of Maryland. And that's what it says right there. Plus tomorrow is going to be nearly the 30s. Now with the dew point. Dew point, we're definitely showing the light purple and blue. You can say light purple or light blue, whatever you want to call it. So we suggest that we call it light purple. We're definitely showing the 20s and nearly 30s. I meant mostly of the 20s. The air quality, we're definitely showing the green. Just ignore the enjoy. You can also enjoy outdoor activities since it's going to be warm outside for today. You don't have to open windows. So with the 21 are going to be good. With the air quality poses little or no health risk. So we do have some are going to be nearly 30s, more than 30s, and more than 40s. Like in Cumberland, 41. With the severe weather. We do have a severe weather around today. from 3:13 a.m. Eastern Time to 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time. The blue that we're showing in the state of Maryland with the severe weather showing mild. And of course, the small craft advisory showing on the water side of ocean, which is the moderate. The pollen that we are showing the green, which is going to be low, So we do have a lower numbers. However, with Cumberland showing more than 10. Temperatures are going to be on the 40s, and later on, the temperature is going to be on the 60s. Right now, as of this, we're showing the dark green on the 40s. In Cumberland, we do have temperatures going to be on the nearly of the 40s. But later, it's going to be 60s. So I hope you ladies and gentlemen will enjoy those activities and do some fun stuff. Tomorrow is going to be another 40s right here in the state of Maryland. Now, ladies and gentlemen, so if we go to noon, as you can see here, it's going to be on the 50s. So later at noon, we'll be on the 50s. And at 2 p.m., it's going to be nearly the 60s. And at 4 p.m., it's going to go on the nearly 60s again, which is coming from exiting from the dark green to the fully green. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we do have mostly up to 30s, like in Perryville, Frederick, Oakland, Cumberland, Hagerstown, Westminster, Annapolis, Bel Air, Elkton, Rock Hall. But the actual answer we do have, which is the 30s in Perryville, Hagerstown, Bel Air, and Cumberland, and Oakland. Nearly 40s in Frederick, Westminster, Elkton, Rock Hall, and Annapolis. 40 even, Washington, D.C., and Easton. And notice we'll have sunny in Frederick, Perryville, Oakland, Cumberland, Hagerstown, Westminster, Annapolis, Bel Air, Elkton, Rock Hall, and Easton. One location in Washington which is mostly sunny. With the historical weather during March. So for today, on March 9th, will be the daily high of 60, historical daily high with 53, daily low 41, historical daily low 36. With the rain, average 0.10 inch, record showing 1.29 inch with the year of 2024. Average with the snow with 0.2 inch, record showing 0.95 inch 1996. Humidity with average of 64.79%, record showing 91.47% with a year of 1962. Wind average with 7.6 miles per hour, record showing 12.30 miles per hour with a year of 1995. And even with the record high with 79 degrees 2000, record low less than 20 degrees 1960. Average high more than 50, average low less than 40. So the sunrise will be at 7:27 a.m. The sunset 7:07 p.m. So today is going to be 60 degrees, sunny, and then tomorrow is going to be another 60s on Monday, which is sunny. Now the rest of the forecast, listen carefully. Tuesday, sunny around 67 degrees. Wednesday, mostly sunny, 53 degrees. Thursday, another mostly sunny, this time with a high of 59 degrees. The Friday is going to be a high of 67 degrees, which is going to be another mostly sunny. And then Saturday with mostly cloudy will be 66 degrees. Next Sunday will be light rain with 64 degrees. So I hope you ladies and gentlemen will enjoy a nice weather which is going to be over the 60s.